I bought a pallet breaker. Bought the pink bit on eBay, and then the handle from the local steel person. 25mm tube. If it's square, is it still a tube? Anyway, 25mm square bit of steel, about 1.5 meters long. I'm going to see if it works. So all in all, it's pretty good so far. I tried the turbo way, squashing it on its corner, which works, but it's a lot of hard work for me anyway. And of course, bashing them apart with a hammer, and pinch bar and whatnot is a lot of work as well. So this, so far, I'm happy with it. And this is the timber from that one pallet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 slats, and the three main beams, I'll call them. If you bought that from a hardware store, it's probably, I don't know, $15, $20. Of course, it would be better wood. It wouldn't be all split and full of nail holes. Right, I've been using it a fair bit, and what I've noticed, apart from the paint coming off, is one of the bolts or nuts is getting looser, this one, and one of them gets tighter. I've had to loosen it off a couple of times now. So I think what happens is, as these are turning, this one's turning, grabbing the nut one way and loosening it, and this one's doing the opposite and tightening it. So there's probably enough thread for one washer, otherwise I've got to get longer bolts, which I can't find in the junk box. So I'm going to probably put a washer on this side. I think that's the one that's grabbing. I don't know. I might put a washer on that side. I don't know. I tried on the nut side. I'll put a washer on that side and see what happens. This one's really tight. Really did tighten up. We need to just find some bolts that are a 1/4 inch longer. So that's the way they're supposed to be, just loose like that. We'll give that a go for a little while and see how it works. Interestingly, see this piece here is bent. So it's starting to bend out that way, and it's binding up a little bit as well. Not as bad as it was before, but that one's still got a bit looser. And yeah, this is bent, so that's not ideal. Oh well, I can always straighten it up a bit, but of course it's just going to get weaker and weaker. So overall it works, but it could probably be a bit heavier duty here, and it could probably have longer bolts with either dual locked nuts or washers on both sides to stop it from, it's obviously grabbing the bolt or the nut, probably the bolt. And somehow this one's tightening and this one's loosening. This is looser than it was when I did it up just before. Yeah, all in all, it's a good thing, but could probably do with a few mods. These pallets here, or this one here, was actually quite light duty compared to some of them with hardwood or harder wood. I wouldn't say it's hardwood, but this wood's almost like balsa wood. It's that soft. So yeah, like I said, probably do with a bit of strengthening in these bits here, and something different with the bolt setup. Anyway, it's still something to try out.